wide array of movements. Wushu in our country is a rapidly growing sport, and hopefully it will be included in the Olympics in the near future. The UP Diliman Wushu Group aims to promote and develop future athletes that may one day bring honor to our country.
Ito na po, pumapasok na. Simula na ng kanilang presentasyon. Wushu! Salamat. So, Wushu, Chinese word meaning martial arts. Thank you so much. All right. So, inaantabayan na natin ang susunod na magsasagawa ng kanilang presentation. Kanina, hindi ko makalimutan talaga yun, June. Akala ko ihahagis nila si Dean. Pero bilib ako kay Dean Deezer, talagang nagsayaw siya at saka, my God, grabe ang kanilang participation. Napakarami nila. It seems yung buong kolehiyo